In this video, I'm going to cover all about independent houses. For example, when you're purchasing an independent house, what all aspects you need to check for. For example, how to calculate the total cost of the house and what would be the builder price quoted and what is the affordable price when you're looking to purchase a resale house and what is the minimum plot size for a 2 BHK house and what is the minimum dimensions of a plot for good construction. Going into the details, to calculate the total cost of the house, we need to know the land cost, construction cost, and the builder margin. For example, if you take a case of 150 square yards house, which is nothing but 1350 square feet, with 20,000 per square yard cost, the land cost would be around 30 lakhs. And the construction cost generally varies from 1500 rupees to 3000 rupees per square feet based on the construction quality and the interiors. So if you take the case of example of a 150 square yards house, the build-up area would be generally 1100 square feet. So 1100 square feet with 1500 rupees per square feet cost, it would be 16.5 lakhs. So the total cost including the builder margin would be 57.5 lakhs considering 10 lakhs profit plus 1 lakh approvals for the builder margin. So generally the builder will try to quote a price of 60 to 65 lakhs considering the negotiation for a single floor 2 BHK house with 150 square yards. If you take the same case of a double floor house with 150 square yards, the construction cost would be doubled. So which will be 16.5 into 2, and the profit of the builder also can be increased by 5 lakhs. So total it will come to 78 lakhs. So builder will generally try to quote around 85 lakhs for a double floor 2 BHK in each floor for a 150 square yards house. And coming to the other aspects, what we need to look for when you're trying to purchase a old house in resale, how much price to afford is generally decided in this way. For example, if you take the same case of 150 square yards house with a land rate of 20,000 rupees per square yard, the only difference would be the construction cost. If you take the case of 5 years old house, the construction cost should be reduced by 30%. So the total cost will be 11 lakhs, which includes 1000 rupees per square feet construction cost. So 30 lakhs plus 11 lakhs will be 41 lakhs. So the price maximum what we can afford is around 45 lakhs. And if you take the case of 10 years old house, the construction cost should be reduced by 60%. So it will be 500 rupees per square feet. So the total cost will including land cost will be 30 plus 5.5 lakhs, which is 35.5 lakhs. So the price what we can afford is 37 to 38 lakhs maximum. And coming to the other aspects of how to know the dimensions of a plot which are suitable for construction. Generally the 150, for example, if you take a 150 square yards house, it is good to have a 25 feet road width and a depth of around 34 minimum. So the minimum size should be 25 feet into 34 feet, and a good size will be 30 into 45 feet, and very good size would be 33 into 41. And coming to the other aspects, for a basic double bedroom, the generally the area what we need to look for is at least bare minimum 130 square yards. Thank you for watching the video.